Hi there, welcome back. So this is a die job right here where I'm going to do the crankshaft position sensor on this 2012 Hyundai Elantra. I think it's let me see the trim. It is a GLS. So you have the jack underneath the car. Let's have a stand for safety. So I'm going to show you the motor also. So that's it. And let me show you the sensor. So this is the sensor right here, guys. That's it right here. So this is part number right here, 907787. That's it, guys. So now let me show you where sensor, they place that sensor. Alright, so as you can see right here, that's the sensor right there, guys. And there are some clips that hold it to that bracket. And it's also plug in right here. So I'm going to have to remove these wire out the way to get to it. So it's right beside the filter. That's the oil filter. It's next to it, guys. They're gonna need a 10 socket to get it loose, the ratchet handle. So let me get this bolt out of the way. Alright, so that's the bolt right there, 10mm. Let's see if I can get the sensor out. It's a bit tight. Alright, so a bit of twist and turning, and it's a bit free. Alright. Sensor, guys. So now I need to get this clip. So these clips, guys, just have to squeeze them in. Alright, let's see if I can use this plier to push it out. So get one side, snap one side out to get the other side. Alright, so get that side out. So just need to get it off that bracket. Get this other one out the way. Alright, so get it clear. Just need to get this wire harness off. Alright, so I push it off. Just need to squeeze this pin right here, this clip. Just squeeze it, press against it and pull off the sensor, just like that, guys. And there you have it. So let me snap the new one in. Okay, I'll get it back on the bracket. Alright, and that's it. So I need to get it back in this hole. Let me get the screw and put it in there and see if I can line it up. Oh, that light keeps shifting. Give me a little trouble right there. I don't know why this light keeps fighting with me, you know, guys, but let's keep moving. Alright, so that one's fixed. Take back this wire harness right here. That's it. This one back in this hole. Alright, and there you have it right there, guys. So that's to replace your crankshaft sensor, guys. This is right there. And also you have to clear the code. So I'm gonna go inside the car and see if I can clear the code, guys. Alright, so now I'm going to hook my scanner up, guys. Go right in here. Here's this cover. This cover go right here. Fuse OBD. So we go in like this, guys. Now pull it from here and take it off. And here is you have the connector for the OBD 2 port. Go in the car. So I'm gonna put the ignition on. The volume Mint, turn it all the way down. Okay, so this is for a different code for a different vehicle. So let me clear it. The auto scan. USA. Okay. Automatic scan. Okay, so now let me go to the engine control module, which is ECM. Diagnosis. That. And you have the code right here, guys. So I'm going to clear it. It's P0335. Clear the code. No code. Crank the vehicle. Engine light go off. You see what's going on the live data right here. Alright guys, so if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.